My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 Peugeot 3008. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 31,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control and automatic headlights. On the right, we have our automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access media, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, Bluetooth, and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with sport, hybrid and electric. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.